Hey guys, this is Jay Banks, and today we're going to bring you guys a fresh and brand new episode of our review. So stay tuned, subscribe, and don't forget to like.
I've got the crypto, yeah. I've got the Bitcoin, yeah. We going.
Okay guys, so first thing you want to do is head over to TronLink.org. Most secure asset management, decentralized wallet, local storage of private keys, node switching. This wallet just supports a TRC10 and TRC20, so I don't think you could send the Ethereum based tokens like the ERCs or the non-fungibles. Maybe later, I'm not sure about right now. There he is. Okay, so you want to go up to the main page. So they also have an Android, iOS app. Go to the Chrome web store. So already have it installed, but you want to go ahead and install it. Once it's installed and it doesn't appear over here. Oh, by the way, you also need to use Brave or Chrome browsers to install this plugin. So I already made an account. When you first go on it, you're gonna make a password, and it's gonna ask you to confirm the password. Then it's gonna give you a mnemonic, and that's gonna be about 12 words. So you want to save those 12 words, because that's gonna be like your main go-to password. You're gonna need that even if you don't remember this one. If you forget this one and you got the other one, then you're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Alright, so this is gonna be the program. It's not bad. And it gives you a set of preset tokens, and I have 0 of everything. So if you want to check out your address, you go up here, click on receive, and that's going to be your address. You want to scan that with your phone, show it to your friends or wherever you want to get paid or sent. TRX2, this is going to be your address. And you could also send over here, add an address, and send the amount. It's going to be a digit. So, and you could also make a new address with a click of a button. Just click create, no account name. It's going to give you the same thing all over again. You just want to save those passwords. And you can see I have 3 already. It's just a new account. As you can see, I'm shy on a few TRX on there. So exit out here, and you go to these little lines. Asset management, freeze. This is where you get more bandwidth and energy. And I think this lets you like send TRX. Once you run out, I think it says here, on Tron network bandwidth will be consumed with almost any transaction. 5,000 will be given to each activated account every day. Okay, so you get free energy, and I guess you run out. But I mean, I've had this wallet for years on a separate machine, and I don't think I've ever had a problem with it. I think maybe just pay a little bit more when you're done, or when you consume everything. And you could also borrow by going to their Tron lending websites. Let's take gonna wait too long. So you can also buy tokens that are on JustSwap. This will take you to Poloni Dex Exchange. You could buy other tokens, other TRX, TRC10 and 20 tokens. And this is what you want to use if you have a hardware wallet. I've never actually done this, but simple instructions: connect Ledger with your PC, open Tron app, connect the account address. Seems simple enough. And the DApps section, and this is where you find DApps. DApps are basically just apps like on your phone, but they're decentralized and they're able to use these cryptocurrencies, so it's pretty cool. It's like the newest thing since the apps, the mobile days. And they have a lot of games and places where you could just use your crypto and do other things with it. It's pretty interesting. I need to look more in depth in these. Alright, so log, refresh, and setup. Okay. Yeah, well that was about it, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and give us a comment on other wallets or apps you want us to give a review on. But I do want to go more into these DApps though on the TronLink, because I mean it's pretty cool. The wallet has it preset already.